to BeautiCo. So today I'm going to be showing you a 10-minute quick and easy makeup look that you can do on an everyday basis. This is perfect for a beginner, even for people who just want to get ready quickly within 10 minutes and don't want to do anything like super duper heavy, but very natural everyday kind of wear. I think this is the video for you, and this is the look right here. Also, if you all are new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe and also hit the notification bell if you all want to get notified every single time I upload a video. Now let's get started. You guys. I'm gonna start by priming. I'm using the Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer. This tones, smooths and perfect skin. During the day I start getting oily, so primer helps in prolonging my makeup. So even if it's a 10-minute makeup, I will definitely use a primer. And मैं इसे सिर्फ T-zone पे लगा देती हूँ. So since this is like an everyday quick and easy makeup look, I like to only cover my dark circles and spots using a concealer. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal. This is what I use every single day, so I'm gonna do that, and this will instantly like make me look wide awake, bright and healthy, और मुझे एक even skin tone मिल जाती है. So ऐसे ही मैं इसको अप्लाई कर दूंगी. मेरे आईलिड्स पे भी डार्कनेस है, तो उसको भी मुझे कवर करना पसंद है. फिर यहाँ पे थोड़ी सी रेडनेस है, और जस्ट अराउंड माई माउथ थोड़ी सी डार्कनेस है, एंड देन स्पॉट्स. फिर मैं इसको ब्लेंड कर दूंगी यूजिंग अ ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर. दिस इज डैम्प, तो मेक श्योर आप डैम्प ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर ही यूज़ कर रहे हैं. Okay, now the next step is blush. Immediately after I apply concealer, I like to go in with a tint. This is the Face Shop's Water Fit tint in the shade Rose Pink. So what I like to do is I will just apply it. Now I apply this right after concealer because it is a liquid product, so I want to apply all the liquid products first and then we'll go in with powder. Okay, take my fingers itself. I will just apply this with my fingers. Okay. On my cheeks, just like that. मुझे ये नोज़ पे भी लगाना पसंद है. That way it just looks like a very natural flush to the cheeks. Now I'll go ahead and set everything using a translucent loose powder. This is the K-Beauty's HD Setting Loose Powder in the shade Latte. So I just like to take like a small puff. Okay, I'll dip it in this powder and I will just set wherever I applied my concealer. Now next step for me is brows. Brows is something that I don't miss, so I quickly like to groom them with the K-Beauty's eyebrow pencil. This is in the shade Walnut. And then next step, I like to use a mascara which is completely dried up, and then brush my brows with it. So this will make my eyebrow hair thicker, as well as they will stay in place. So for my eyes, I like to keep it really simple. Just add a little bit of warmth. So I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution's Reloaded Velvet Rose palette, and I'm going to use a mixture of this shade and this shade right here, and I'm going to apply this in my crease and all over my eyelids. The brush that I'm using is this Pro Art 230E brush, and just like that I will like apply some color on my eyes. And then just taking this shade right here, I will just highlight my inner corners. Okay. And then next I will apply lots and lots of mascara. This is the Maybelline's Total Temptation mascara. But I'll make sure that I will curl my lashes, that way my eyes look wide open. You see the difference? I like to give a little bit of shape to my face, so I'll just take my bronzer. This is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I just like to take a little bit of it and just face my shape just a little, not too much, just in the hollows of my cheeks like that, very fast. So now I like to amp up my blush a little bit. So I'm just going to use this blush by L'Oreal. This is Libare blush in the shade Play With Me. Enhance my blush. Next for highlighter, I will just use a liquid highlighter because it looks a little bit more natural than powder highlight. This one is the Nykaa's Strobe and Glow liquid highlighter in the shade Glazed Bronze. So I just like to take it on my fingers itself, and I'll just place it at the highest points of my cheeks and then just blend it out with my fingers itself. Do you see that? It looks really natural, but make sure you're using your fingers, otherwise it won't blend. Okay, next for lips, the combination that I'm going to be using is this one. The lip liner that I'm using is the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade Leon. And the lipstick that I'm going to be using is L'Oreal's Signature Rouge lipstick in the shade I Explore. I like to fill in my lips with the lip liner. This way my lipstick lasts a very long time. One last step is applying a white eyeliner in the waterline. This is the NYX Professional Makeup Fox White Eyeliner in the shade Linen. So this is like a bright pink shade, baby pink, but you can use any white, nude, whatever you have. And this will instantly just open up your eye. Guys, this is my 10-minute quick and easy everyday makeup look. I hope you guys liked it. If you do recreate it, please don't forget to tag me. Also, y'all can share this video with your friends if you feel that they need it and they will find this helpful. Definitely share it with them. Also, let me know in the comment section below what y'all would like to see next. I'm gonna go now and I'll see y'all in my next video very soon. Until then, bye.